Resilience Revolution. Mastering life's comebacks. Roll to acknowledge. Picture life as a boxing ring. Sometimes you take a hit. Roll with it. Acknowledge the challenge openly. Share your stories in the comments, creating a tapestry of shared experiences that bind us together. Crawl to emotional stability. Imagine the crawl as a transformative journey toward emotional stability. Dive into the comments to discover unique strategies for resilience. Let's compile a collective playbook, a virtual support manual for navigating life's storms. Kneel and reflect. Kneeling is not surrender, it's a moment of reflection. Share instances where you found strength in adversity. Your insights could be a guiding light for someone in the dark. Drop your reflections in the comments and illuminate the path for others. Stand with support. Think of emotional support like a chair, sturdy and reliable. Engage in a dialogue. Offer or seek advice in the comments. Let's build a community where each of us is a pillar supporting the other's rise. Step into recovery. Envision recovery as a series of intentional steps. Share your triumphs, no matter how small. Become a beacon of hope. Your narrative has the power to inspire millions on their unique journeys. Embark on this resilience journey with us. Like, comment, and subscribe to be part of a global movement rising stronger from life's falls. Together, we're not just bouncing back, we're mastering the art of resilience.